You have got a lot of stuff to write, lot of things to write, and you don't know how much typing time will it take. Then I'll tell you the best way to type all those by doing the voice typing. So if you can talk and you want type, you can do that on Windows computer, especially on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So I'm opening the Word document right here, and just look at your keyboard and look for the Windows key and H as in hotel. The moment we press Windows key and H as in hotel key together, a new window will appear and pop up. Now it will start listening to you and it will start typing as well. You can see right there in the Microsoft Word document, it's typing and typing correctly. Isn't it great? Can you check it right now? I am really amazed the way it is typing and with almost like 99 or maybe 100% accuracy. So you can also try that and do let me know in the comment section this window and H thing is good or not, because you can type anywhere you want. You can type it on your website, on your email, in Notepad, in Microsoft Word. You can type it anywhere. Just press window and H and start saying and typing. All right, so you can see that it's typing and I'm good. So if you like this tutorial, please hit the like and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section whether you have used it or not. I'll be glad if you leave a comment, and please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.